Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol, and welcome to this week's Midweek 180, brought to you from stunning Antibes in the south of France. Just along that coastline we have Nice, all the way around you can just see in the far distance Cap Ferret, and if you went round that headland that would be Monaco, a very cool part of the world. But even I'm on my holidays, I couldn't not bring you my midweek update, where I bring you my news, views and information about upcoming reviews, all filmed in one take. I'm going to put 180 seconds in the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and that's it, a very simple format. So without further ado, let's get cracking with this week's Midweek 180. I shall start my timer. Okay, first comment last week for the third week running was Vinnie Vincent. It's becoming a habit, Vinnie, but whoever puts the first comment this week, I will give you a shout out next week. Where are you and what you're doing? I've actually got three. It started off with John S14A, who was in Cafulu in Sicily, which I thought was quite cool. And then the Speed Machine 35 said that he was in Havana in Cuba, which was even more cool. And then finally, top it off, Alan Parry was preparing a weather satellite in French Guiana whilst watching the Midweek 180 last week. That is by far and away the coolest. So wherever you are right now and what you're doing, put it in the comments below and I'll give you a shout out next week. Now, my question last week was all about your views on clickbait, and it's fair to say that nobody really likes clickbait. So I've taken that on board and I will try and do as minimal amount of clickbait as possible. My question this week stems from the fact that a couple of days ago, we've got the S4 down here on holiday, we had a puncture, and luckily we had a space saver tyre. But a very simple question for your car, your everyday car, all I want to know is, have you got a full-size spare, a space saver spare? Are you running run flats, or are you on like a, one of these emergency cans of foam? I'd love to know what the balance is amongst you, because we obviously we're on a space saver wheel. The car's getting fixed tomorrow, by the way, before I drive home at the weekend. It's really quiet on F1 at the moment. There's no real news in the transfer market since last week. We are all waited with bated breath to see who's going to fill the Red Bull seat, where Alonso's going to go, so hopefully we'll have more news about that next week. And car reviews and new cars to market are pretty quiet at the moment, so I thought I'd just talk about a little bit about some of the cars that I've got coming. So I'm just going to reset my timer here. Some of the cars I've got coming. So next week, if you've seen my Becoming a Racing Driver video that I put out on Monday this week, when I drive up to Alton Park, I'm actually going to be doing that in the new Ford Focus. I've got the 1 litre titanium Ford Focus, very much looking forward to driving that. And then I've also, a couple of weeks after that, I finally got a decent amount of time with a plug-in hybrid. Hyundai UK have been brilliant, and they're going to be giving me an Ioniq plug-in hybrid for a whole week. So I'm going to be able to actually see just what it's like to live with a hybrid, just what kind of economy can I get, how much electric range is there when you normally can not plug it in at night time, those types of things. And then obviously the next 2 weeks, if you've not seen my video on Monday, please tune in and have a look at that. Will be packed full of me trying to become a racing driver. So I'm really looking forward to that. And then last but not least, Friday's video this week scuppered a little bit if you saw my video last week about me deleting some files, but this Friday I'm going to do a video about my recent first attempt at doing TV presenting. If you follow me on social media, you probably know that at the Festival of Speed I did some TV presenting, so I'm basically going to do a little video about that and put the actual footage from those first attempts at TV presenting together, and that is the end of my time. Don't tell me I can't turn this one off as well. Yeah, there we go, turn that one off. So so a bit of a quiet car news week, but lots and lots happening on the video creation front. So please tune in on Friday at 6 for my how to become a TV presenter. And if you've not watched my video from Monday already, then that will be a series of videos that really ramps up next week. So next week on Monday I go to Donington Park for a test day. Thursday I go to Alton Park for a test day, and then a week after that I'm at my first race meeting at Donington Park, so you need to kind of keep them peeled for that. But I'm going to basically leave you with that view and go and sit by the pool and get some rays. Although actually, before I say goodbye, there is somebody just sat behind camera that I think you will probably like to see, so let me just give you a shout of this. Look, somebody is finding it all a little bit much in this heat. But anyway, I'll leave you at that one, guys. But I'll see you on the next video. You take care. Drive safe.